Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Ella Diaries. Today we're going to be talking about how I made my first profit as a beginner in the Nigerian stock market. I used to think that the Nigerian stock market was way over my head, but somehow I managed to make my first profit. Let me tell you exactly how it happened. So guys, at the end of the episode, I'm going to be giving you my 3 personal takeaways that helped me navigate the stock market as a whole. If you're interested in getting into the stock market, you should definitely wait to hear it. Now, let's get into it. A couple of years ago, I was scrolling through the streets of Instagram and I saw a beautiful lady talking about how you can invest your money, how you can pin your money in the stock market, and you'll be getting 20, 30%, 15% from it after a couple of months to a year. Well, the African in me was intrigued because anything that has to do with money, you can bet your ass I would get on it. So I was listening. I'm like, okay, so how can we do this? And how do we do this? So she was talking about how you can get some apps. I've mentioned one, Optimus by Afri Invest. You can buy stocks on them. So why don't I try? Because, well, I want to make money. So I got on it, I downloaded it, I did everything, I verified. And then it was time to get a stock. And I'm okay. So what stock do I buy? I put some amount of money into the wallet to experience the market. And I was scrolling through the list of stocks that was listed on the NGX. First stock that piqued my interest was First Bank. First Bank would be a good choice because, well, First Bank is one of the oldest banks in Nigeria. They're definitely doing something well. That's why they can stay so long in the finance sector. So I'm like, okay, fine, let me get First Bank. And I did. Secondly, I was scrolling through and I saw Transcorp Hilton. I was just telling myself that this is a good thing to invest in because there's hardly a time you go there that they wouldn't be booked. They must be doing something right. I got it. And I kept scrolling because I wanted to try with like 3 stocks and I got 2 already. And finally, I saw Dangote Sugar. Dangote is one of the most renowned business person in Africa. He's actually one of the richest person in Africa. So it must be industrious. Let me buy Dangote Sugar and see what will happen. So I did. I got these 3 stocks and I waited. I just kept it and I kept looking at it. And within a couple of weeks to months, I kept seeing growth in my money. My money was increasing. I was seeing 5%, 10%. I'm like, ow, is this real? Is this happening to me? So I just made my first profit in the Nigerian stock market. Now, this stock listed not in any way a financial advice. Again, I'm going to reiterate it as much as possible. Whatever you're putting your money in, you should be willing to do a lot of research into it. Okay, do your own research. It cannot be overemphasized. Now, I'm going to be giving 3 personal takeaways that helped me in navigating this whole stock market journey. One, if you come online today and you're seeing the stock doing so well, or they're merging, or there's like a positive news in the stock and you think you want to buy it and you feel like, oh, this is the time to buy it, I assure you it isn't. Before you're buying, make sure you buy when people don't know too much about it. That is how to make money in the stock market. Second personal takeaway is that if you're buying a stock, be sure to buy low and say high. Don't buy a stock that is already doing so well and you feel like you want to jump on it, make a little bit of money and jump out of it. Oh my God, you're going to crash so hard, crash and burn. Then thirdly, leverage the economy. We're all complaining about how we are spending so much buying fuel, transportation and everything. Have you asked yourself that the people that own this oil and gas companies, how much they're making, the people that have invested in it, while you're complaining about the rise in the cost of fuel, people are making money from the rise in the cost of fuel, searching for a way to be leveraging that pain. You complain about MTN, what MTN is doing to your data, what LTN is doing to your data. Do you know you can be making money from Airtel? Try to leverage on the things that are around you. This world has come to a stage where it's now a two-way street. If you're buying a product, a certain amount, you should also find a way to be making money from that product in another way. I just came here to do today, and that is what I have learned from the stock market in general. Okay, now it's not too early to start investing. It's not too late to start investing. Start now. Start today. Once again, this is Ella, your personal finance girlie. For watching, subscribe, like, comment, and put on your notification for my next video. Mwah. Bye.